Hello students, welcome back to Let Us Master English. Pursuing further the topic invitations and replies, today I am going to teach you how to write an informal reply. That is, how to respond to informal invitations. An invitation, formal or informal, can either be accepted or declined. So in this video, you will learn how to write informal reply for accepting the invitation or expressing your refusal. So students, let's get started. Students, why is it important to reply to invitations? Replying to an invitation is an essential courtesy for two reasons. Number one, to appreciate the host's kindness in inviting you to the occasion. And number two, to let the host know whether you will be attending the function or not in order to enable him or her to make arrangements accordingly. So if you are replying to an invitation, the host, that is the person who is inviting you, will come to know how many people are going to attend the function and will be able to make arrangements accordingly. So students, an invitation is either accepted or declined. Now, what is an informal reply? Students, whenever somebody is inviting you to a program or a function, you have to send a reply telling him whether you are accepting the invitation or declining it. An informal reply or private letter may, however, express personal feelings or desires in an intimate style and informal tone. Students, informal reply is just like an ordinary personal letter. So please do not use any formal expressions, but use informal words and expressions while writing an informal reply. What are the main characteristics of an informal reply? When you are writing an informal reply, first of all, acknowledge the invitation in first person, that is I and we. Students, when we write informal invitation, there we use first person. So while responding to informal invitation, when we are acknowledging the invitation, we must answer it in first person. Use second person, that is you, for the sender of invitation. To address the host, you may use you. And after that, mention whether you are accepting the invitation or express regret if you are unable to attend the function or the program. And in case you are not able to attend the function, please specify the reason and use warm and simple language. Now students, if you are accepting an invitation, here are some sentences which would help you in writing your reply. You may write, "Thank you. I shall be glad to attend the function or program. Thank you. That's very kind of you. I would love to attend." Or thank you. I would be. So after that, complete the sentence. That would be very nice. I would definitely join the party. That would be wonderful. I can assure I'll be there in time. Now students, if you are refusing the invitation, so that time here are some sentences. You may use any of these. "I'm sorry, but I have another engagement." "I'm awfully sorry, but I must meet my boss at the airport." "I should like to, but I..." Then specify the reason why you are unable to attend. "I would love to come, but I'm afraid I can't. I have an urgent meeting." Oh, I'm sorry. I would love to come, but I have a prior engagement. Now, students, here is the marking scheme. Invitations and replies. This question appears in your exam for 3 marks. Earlier it used to be for 4 marks. This year CBSE has made a recent change. So what is the division of 3 marks? Your format contains 1 mark, content is for 1 mark, and expression, that is grammatical accuracy and spellings. So you are going to get 1 mark if you have written your informal reply without any grammatical error and there is no error in spellings. Now students, here is the format of an informal reply. It is very much like informal letter. When we are writing an informal reply, it is left aligned. On left hand side, first we write the sender's address. Leaving one line, we write date. And students, please remember here, many times I have seen your marks are deducted because when you write the date, many of the students, they write the word DATE, date, and after that they mention the date. You don't have to write this word DATE, date. Simply mention the date. After that, salutation, dear, followed by name of the person to whom you are writing, and then write your message of reply, and then comes the salutation. So here you may write yours truly, yours sincerely, or yours lovingly, any one of these, followed by name of the person and designation, if any. It's not compulsory. Now students, here is sample informal reply. You are Manoj or Mini residing at 217 MIG Flats, Surya Bihar, New Delhi. You have been invited to attend a birthday party of your closest friend at Hotel Janpat. Respond to this invitation. So in this video, we are going to learn how to write an informal reply for acceptance as well as refusal. Students, here is your reply if you want to accept the invitation. So on left hand side, first we'll write address of the person which is given in the question, that is 217 MIG Flats, Surya Bihar, New Delhi. Leave one line, then write date, 15 November 2020. So students, here please don't mention the word DATE, date. Leave one line, then the salutation, dear Shalini, name of your friend. I have received your invitation for your birthday party on 25 November 2020 at 5 p.m. at Hotel Janpat. I am extremely happy to know that all our old friends are likely to be there. I would like to confirm my participation. Looking forward to the momentous occasion. Yours lovingly, Mini. And here also students, when you are writing yours, most of the time we see that the students first they write your, then they put apostrophe, then S. That is wrong. It is a single word, YOURS, yours. Now, if you want to decline to the invitation, if you want to refuse, so you may write like this. So, like previous slide, first the date on left hand side, first the address on left hand side, followed by date, and then dear Shalini, I acknowledge with thanks your kind invitation to your birthday party on 25th November 2020. So first you will acknowledge the invitation and thank the person for inviting you. I regret to inform you that I will not be able to join you in the celebrations due to some very urgent and unavoidable prior engagements that may keep me tied down here on that day. Please accept my heartiest felicitations and love. Kindly accept a small gift that I am sending through courier, wishing you a very happy birthday. Yours sincerely, Minnie. So students, I hope now you will be able to write informal reply, which is very, very simple, which is just like an informal letter. Now it's homework time. Here is a practice exercise for you. You are Abhinav or Akriti. You have received a letter from your close friend inviting you to attend the marriage of his sister. But unfortunately, you cannot attend it due to your prior commitments. Write him a letter regretting your inability to attend the marriage ceremony. Students, thank you very much for watching this video. And for more such videos, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you have liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Do comment and share my videos with your friends. Thank you very much.